Hey, if you wonder if the JBL Xtreme 4 is waterproof, then I can quickly answer this question. Right here we can actually find the IP67, and if you don't know what does it mean, let me quickly explain. So I'm gonna use the Vodafone website, and here we've got this information that the 6 stands for the dust protection, and the 7 means that the phone, but it also stands for the other devices like speakers, tablets or smartwatches. Has been tested for normal functionality after being submerged in 15 centimeters to 1 meter of water for a maximum of 30 minutes. So this is actually what it means. So you can actually put it into the water for even 30 minutes, but of course it's not recommended. So it's only, I believe, some kind of the protection for emergency. If you actually drop this into the lake or I don't know, someone else when there is actually the water, but I wouldn't actually make some tests. Just keep it out of the water. Yeah, so this is it right now. Please subscribe to my channel.